So I entered here because of the FCR trade, the first 5-minute candle rule by Casper. As you can see that my entry is actually right where the fair value gap closed above, and there was a fair value gap, and I entered right there. So let's just see how this trade pans out. I am looking to take 2R, but there is there's previous day's highs that are looming right below my take profit. So I might trail my stops, or I might just take trim before it hits my take profit. So let's just see what happens here. I am liking the price action a little bit here, so I might just leave it alone, but my emotions are getting a little sporadic right now at the moment. It could be due to excitement, it could be due to fear, but I am getting a little anxious just because I don't want price to reverse and hit my stop after being in profit. So that's kind of what my mindset is right now at the moment. So let's just see what happens here. Not gonna lie, price retracing here is making me a little anxious. I think I'm doing a better job at controlling my emotions though, because normally what I would do here is probably add on to my losing trade and kind of go on tilt. That's been the pattern for me. So what I'm going to do is just sit on my hands and just look away. I'm going to go work on something else, and I'll probably just come back or something. So price wicked into previous day's highs, and I set a limit order to sell 4 and have 1 trailing up, and I also moved my stops down, or my stops up, just to lock in some profit here. So let's just wait and see what happens. I feel like price is going to hit my trailed stop loss. I kind of want to move it. Let's just see what happens here. It's going to tag it. I know that's going to tag it. This always happens to me. Will it just reverse from here? I am getting anxious. This is kind of annoying. All right. I mean, if you're going to take me out, just take me out so I can enter another position. There you go. All right. Back to the drawing board. All right. I'm going to enter a position here. The reason why I'm entering a position here is because price came back into a 5-minute fair value gap. There's also a small 1-minute fair value gap here, and I am still bullish. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust this. I'm not sure why this risk to reward isn't working properly. I only want to risk $195. So just move my stops there. I did want to keep my stops a little bit lower just to give it some breathing room, but I'm going to set this to 2R and we're going to watch. I am a little nervous here. I have a feeling price is going to move up, but I'm not sure what it's going to do at previous day's highs again. It could just consolidate and sweep the high there and then come back down. So I'm going to manage this one pretty tightly. If price decides to come back up above this high, then I'm going to take about 4 contracts off, because NQ is at all-time highs right now at the moment. I'm going to trail 1 contract. Let's see. I am going to take 4, leave a runner. Let's go. Come on. I'm going to move my stops up to this area right here to lock in $31. So if I would have held my original position, it would have hit my 2R. I got a little scared around here. I probably should have just held my original position. Let's go. Maybe I will get a 2R trade today. A full 2R trade. Or a full 2R day, I should say. So far, these are my stats. Not bad. All right, if it decides to stop me out here, then we lock in a close to 1.5 R. There we go. So 339.60 is going to be my gain. I think I'm going to call it a day here. I'm okay with the gains today. So yeah, let's look at the performance stats. So far, I'm at 66% win rate. Profit factor's 2.96. I did 382 so far on this account. Today I did 339. It took about 3 trades today. And this is what my trading week or trading month looks like so far. Hopefully we'll be able to add on some of the gains here. Yeah, let me know how y'all did today. Leave a comment below, like the video, and subscribe to join me on my journey to consistency. And I will catch y'all tomorrow.